wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best plantar fasciitis sleeves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Fittest Pro kit is a promising option at an affordable price, though the materials are not of the highest quality. However, they do feature gel cushion support and fabric grips that are effective in preventing blisters and alleviating the symptoms that plague your foot. They come with silicone heel protectors and medicinal therapy wraps. However, they tend to rip easily. At number 9, breathe new life into your tired, sore feet with the aidbrace Premium, which offer a good compression structure intended for long-term use. They're ideal for minimizing muscle fatigue that tends to flare up during the daily grind. These are great for those with active jobs and fit easily beneath a sock, but it is hard to get the perfect sizing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Pure Compression target a primary pain point, the arch of your foot, by providing ample support to the area while enveloping your ankle in an ultra-comfortable fabric. They minimize soreness and reduce swelling without feeling invasive. These are available singly or as a pair and are made with moisture-wicking technology. However, even the largest size may not fit big feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Plantar Fasciitis sleeves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with smart compression technology that spreads to every level of the foot, the buttons and pleats sock maximize circulation for long-lasting relief. They're great for athletes as they support weaknesses and promote recovery after a workout. These are lightweight for flexibility and are an excellent value option, but the heel area wears down quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. The compressionz ankle sock are capable of supplying serious pain relief, often making a noticeable difference within the first day of use. You'll feel a pleasant compression and enjoy a full range of motion thanks to the ventilated anti-itch fabric. There are 9 distinct color options, all antibacterial for odor reduction. However, these are made with a thinner cloth than most brands. Halfway up our list at number 5. Improve your physical performance or simply make life more livable with the Bitly sock, which utilize innovative technology that the company claims will speed up your recovery process. Make sure you use the sizing chart to ensure you receive the perfect fit. They're designed for all-day comfort and deliver outstanding overnight relief, and they provide a good grip on hardwood floors. At number 4, who knew that targeted support and expedited healing could also feel luxurious? The Run Forever Sports Brace's natural fabric is incredibly soft, which helps attain a good balance between foot reinforcement and good old-fashioned comfort. They come with a money-back guarantee and are made of a breathable cloth. They're ideal for older users. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If your condition is slowing you down, perhaps you do well to consider the Treat My Feet compression. Engineered with interlocked stitching to offer maximum durability, they'll make you feel better faster without wearing thin even with heavy use. These work great for runners and the wide cuff provides stability. They're excellent at retaining warmth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Plantar Fasciitis sleeves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made from a resilient combination of spandex and micro-nylon, the orthosleeve FS6 maintain a tight fit to bolster the heel and aid in recovery. They may take a few days to break in, but once they do, they'll feel molded to your foot. They offer 3 levels of compression and 6 targeted support zones. They're easy to put on and remove. And taking the top spot on our list, if better oxygen circulation and enhanced muscle recovery doesn't totally sell you, the SB Sock support come with a free health and fitness ebook and a 100% satisfaction guarantee to boot. They're also quite stylish, for a foot sleeve that is. They also include an FAQ guide and reduce lactic acid buildup. They're medical grade and FDA registered. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Plantar Fasciitis sleeves, or simply click beneath this video.